Alright, so we're back with a brand new video, and today we're gonna show you how we're gonna dye our hair. So first, we're gonna go to the salon for them to bleach our hair first because, sorry for that noise, there's some construction going on and we're in the hallway. So yeah, but we're going to the salon for them to bleach it because we're not experts and it's not so bad and my mom doesn't want that. So yeah, so you're gonna see and how we're gonna do it. So I hope you guys like this video and I hope you enjoyed, and we really hope it turns out well. We're gonna DIY once again. The first time is a failure, as you have seen if you have seen our previous video. So we really hope this one would work, right? Yep. So yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
So this is the app update after 2 cycles of bleach. Yeah, it's a little bit darker than we thought. See?
Yeah, I think
it's actually really bad. See, it's bad. So I don't know if it's gonna balance out in my hair, especially I wanted pink hair. To her, it might work, the blue one, because the blue is, what do you call that? What is matingkad in English? Naughty?
It's vibrant.
Vibrant. Mine is pink, so I don't know, it might turn to brown pink. Is this our thing?
It could be a rose gold pink.
Yeah, that would be the best case scenario. Worst case scenario, it will just be mud pink or something.
Yeah. So what can you say?
I'm crying and it's failing. I'm crying and it's failing. Do you see this? I cannot.
I'm sorry, it's supposed to be nice, it's supposed to be pretty, but because of the lady who bleached her roots as well, and she bleached it on the second cycle, so that it became blonder than the rest. We just hope for the best. Hope for the best. Don't cry now.
I'm stressed. Wala niyang ganun. Ayun.
Hi guys! So we've done it.
Yeah.
Well, my hair is not yet completely dry, but this is how it looks like. It looks a lot green because there's only a bit less Poseidon. I love the Poseidon. Okay, you guys can see it, but maybe if it's a lot more dry, I can take a photo.
Yeah, maybe later I'll take a video of her back or something.
Yeah. And
Yeah,
this is
and-
her hair.
Yeah, look at that. It's the pink areas. But at first I was like, but then yeah, I think it works. It works. It's more of a rose gold though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it though. I like the rose gold part, except this part. I'm not very fond of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I love my hair so much. It's gonna be so much bluer
Yeah.
in the near future. Like, I'm gonna add more Poseidon and then mix it up with aquamarine, maybe balayage it a bit more, but I love it. She actually did my hair and I did hers, so I'm so sorry, I failed.
It's okay.
But she did a great job with mine and I'm very happy with that. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you're not yet subscribed, subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you do. So I hope this encourages you to dye your hair with a bit more crazy colors like blue, green, pink, red, orange. So yeah, thank you so much, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!